guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to do zoom out transition on CapCut. So the first thing to do is to simply open your CapCut and then drag that video right here. In order for you to add a zoom out or zoom in effects, what you're going to do is to simply click that area or section in the video where you want to add the zoom in or zoom out effect. So press play and then pause. Now click the part where you want to add the effect and then go to position and size. Tap this add keyframe. Okay, we have added here already. And then go to scale and then increase the percent. So this is how you zoom in the video. Now press play again and then press pause and then go to position and size and then add keyframe. Now go to scale and decrease the percent to zoom out. You just have to follow the step. What you're going to do next is to press play again and then locate the area or the section where you want to add keyframe again and zoom in the video or add zoom in effect. Okay, so increase the scale and then press play again. Tap this area right here, go to position and size, and then decrease scale, and then that's it. So if you want to see the result of the adding of zoom in and zoom out effect here in CapCut, so this is the result. So as you can see, we have added the zoom in and zoom out effect here in CapCut. So everything is up to you where you want to add this zoom out or zoom in effect here in your CapCut. I do really hope that you enjoyed this video. See you again in our next tutorials.